Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are solving a massive FOMO problem. You know that incredible circle to search feature that Google and Samsung have been bragging about? The one where you just circle something on your screen and boom, you get instant search results. Well, if you thought you needed to root your phone or buy a brand new flagship device to get it, I've got great news. You don't. Today, I'm going to show you how to get that exact functionality on literally any Android phone running Android 10 or higher. You've probably seen how the original works on the Pixel. It's seamless. You see a pair of shoes you like on Instagram? Circle them. You see a landmark in a YouTube video? Circle it. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it keeps you in your flow without switching apps. But again, usually this is locked behind a paywall of buying a very expensive phone. But we are going to fix that right now with an app called Circle to Search, multi-engine reverse image search. This isn't just a copycat. In some ways, it's actually better because it's not locked to just Google. It combines Google Lens, Bing Visual Search, Yandex, and TinEye all in one place. So let's get this installed. You're going to grab the APK file. Now watch closely here because you might hit a small snag. When you try to install it, you might see an installation failed message or a warning. Don't panic, that is just Google Play Protect being a bit overprotective because we're sideloading an app. Here is the fix. Go to your Play Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Play Protect. Hit the settings gear and just toggle Scan Apps with Play Protect to off for a second. Now go back and install the APK. It should go through perfectly. Once it's installed, be sure to go back to the Play Store and turn Play Protect back on to keep your phone safe. All right, installation complete. Now let's set it up and look at these features. The most important step is to set this app as your default assistant app in your phone settings. This is what lets you trigger it instantly over any other app. Once that is done, you have options. You can trigger it by double tapping your status bar or using a floating bubble. You draw a circle or just scribble over what you want, and the magic happens. Look at this UI. It's a beautiful Material 3 design with smooth animations. And the best part? The variety. If Google Lens doesn't give you the right result, you can instantly switch to Bing or Yandex within the same search. You can view results in desktop mode, copy URLs directly, and even open them in your favorite browser. It also fully supports dark mode, so it looks great at night. One really funny hidden gem here is the personality. The app actually talks to you with humor, giving you friendly, playful messages every time you search, which adds a nice touch. So go ahead and give your phone a major upgrade. If this video helped you save a few $100 on a new phone, drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.